So who's still living in your body, in your auric field, rent free without your permission? You see, even after all that cord cutting, all that moving to a new timeline, you've done everything to evict this residue out of your energy, but it still lingers. Not because anything that you're doing, it's because the person or people will not let your energy go. Good night, good evening, whatever time of day you see this, whenever you see this, welcome. It's Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy's weekly Mellow Mood Monday. This is part one to a five-part series, a energetic detox, letting go of past lovers. This doesn't only have to do with lovers, this is like even family members, just anything, anybody, any thought form that is not conducive to your growth, learning how to move past it. You see, healing is easy. I find healing is easy when you're truly honest with yourself about who you are and you have done the work in terms of just loving your demons and loving your angels, because you have to be balanced up in this to really say that you're actually healed. Because that part is easy. To me, I've done so much shadow work, like dropping people like a freaking pancake is easy for me, especially I don't see that you're good for me, you're not good for my soul, you're not good for any part of my life. It's easy to let go. But what if the person, people who you have let go does not want to let you go? Then that's one issue. Then to go even further, what if these same people are holding on to your energy? They abuse divination, they abuse their spiritual gifts, they astral project, they hack into your auric field. Not only on a spiritual level, they hack into your your digital devices. They send people towards you wearing masks, people who are sick, people, I mean, this is happening on a daily basis to a lot of people. What do you do then when people, persons do not want to let you go, even years after you've decided to let them go, and they sit in an unhealed energy of resentment towards you. So they just want you to feel the same pain that they're feeling because they have not dealt with their shadow work or their demons. I'm not going to keep this Mellow Mood Monday very long. This is all about really understanding your energy, because there's some people who are very skilled in the divination, in their demonic darkness, and they will do any and everything just to throw you down. On this Mellow Mood Monday, I am here as a reminder to really take hold and call back your energy on a daily basis. This is some, if you are going through these types of things where you have let somebody go, you've moved to a new timeline, and your heart is open and you're ready to really expand and grow in a whole different on a whole different level, but people are still holding on to you, still you need to look deeper and see where do you have imprints in your nervous system so that you can always be aware when your energy is being tampered with. So this There is definitely medicine in your stillness. So don't get overconfident in your healing at any point in time when you're dealing with these types of people. Take some time during your day, night, will always set schedule time to be still. And that is the message for tonight's Mellow Mood Monday. This is part one of a part 5 series. I really want to go deep, but there are restrictions in this app on how deep I can speak on these types of issues, these type of subjects. So you know who you are, you know what you've been through. Everybody's at a different point of their healing. Everybody's on a different timeline. And I'm just here to congratulate you for moving to a different timeline and releasing yourself from triggers, doing your shadow work, and embracing your demons, embracing all the angelic parts of you. Congratulations. But there's no but. When you are on this type of a journey and you can have individuals who refuse to let go of your energy, do not get overconfident in your healing, meaning you stop putting time aside to be still and reconnect and to secure your energy signature and to be sovereign and remain sovereign. So that's it for tonight's message. Explore the imprints of your nervous system. Never cease from doing that. And let this be a gentle reminder to continuously reclaim your energy before going to bed, whenever you leave spaces, anytime you post, anytime you interact with anybody, new, old, your family members, and choose peace always. One love, and I'll see you tomorrow. This is part one, the 5-part series, exclusively from Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy. Peace and love.